Because our global economy now requires that people entering the workforce be prepared for more complex life and work environments, our students need to enter college and the workforce proficiently advanced in mathematics and key mathematic concepts when exiting the K 12 education system. The P21 framework believes that the fusion of math and 21st century skills will ensure more of our students have an understanding of math and ability in math at an advanced mastery level by making teaching and learning more engaging, relevant, and rigorous. This advanced level of proficiency requires students to have the necessary skills to look for a logical structure in addressing mathematical challenges by making complex choices and constructing viable arguments to defend their choices, to identify and ask significant questions about mathematics and engage in analyzing each other's answers, to make sense of applied mathematical problems through analysis and synthesis of evidence and persevere in solving problems, and to analyze how parts of a whole interact with each other in mathematical systems. As a teacher, I must incorporate these essential skills into learning experiences in the classroom for my students. One way to ensure that 21st century learners are equipped with 21st century essentials is to develop them into critical thinkers and problem solvers. Remember, in order for students to be critical thinkers and innovative problem solvers, they must reason effectively, use systems thinking, and understand how parts of a whole interact with each other. They must also be able to make judgments, decisions, and solve problems in both conventional and innovative ways. One of the Partnership for 21st Century Learners critical thinking and problem solving examples from the Math Map is an in class project to assist students in developing these skills. This critical thinking and problem solving project will also improve a student's information, medical, and technology literacy and civic literacy. All of these skills are necessary to be an effective citizen and work in the 21st century. Those who possess these skills will be able to exhibit a range of functional and critical thinking skills. It is important for students to be technology literate because information technology jobs are projected to grow at 22% by the year 2020. Patrick Thibodeau reports that the growth of software development will increase even more by 28 to 32%. This is why I want to use the 8th grade example of a classroom election to fuse mathematics and technology in the classroom. Through a classroom election, students will gain civic literacy, critical thinking and problem solving skills, and technology skills. Students will explore the rights and obligations of citizenship at the local, state, national, and international level, as well as the implications of ethical and civic decisions. They are seeing how all of these parts work together for the whole. This project will provide students with an opportunity to see how governing laws, mathematic problems, and public policy challenges intertwine locally, nationally, and globally. Students will debate the merits of ranked choice voting and its recent use in several local elections. By doing research on computers, students will be equipped with arguments to determine which election process they think is best. Once research has been conducted, students will then have a mock election with 3 to 5 candidates. The students can either determine how to gather this information electronically using spreadsheets, or if they cannot come up with this, they will be doing it manually. After they have gathered the data about their top 3 choices, they will take this information and put it into a visual representation. Students will work with our cooperative groups to compare the 3 outcomes and talk about how math can affect the kind of government we get. Students will also discuss how technology could affect or did affect the election process and results. The outcome of this project is that students analyze how parts of a whole interact with each other and mathematical systems using technology.